News headlines now with Christy Cooper. Christy, good morning.
The Defence Minister has been in Bendigo this morning announcing a $1.2 billion investment into Talis's Bushmaster military vehicles. We've been making them here in Victoria for a long time, but this will apparently Video protected.
Fucking bloody line cutters.
Oh, you fucking idiot. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Cars in front, mate. I can move it out of the way, you fucking cock. Fucking idiot.
Water reuse are easier than you might believe.
We deep dive into how dirty water is becoming part of the solution. People fixing the world.
Fucking idiot.
To listen, search People Fixing the World online or wherever.
I'm so sorry.
Emergency video.
Stare at them and close it. Yeah, if it just turned red, I would have enough time.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Probably like 5 to 10 seconds. Oh, great.
Okay, buddy.
Oh!
Holy fucking shit.
Oh!
Fucking hell.
That's good. No. It's on entry.
Idiots
No,
are us.
I mean, he was kind of close to us, but
He
that
got
was
really
that
close
was
to
that
that
was
guy.
awfully close.
Get
Oh,
fucked!
yes!
Get fucked! Wait, did police? Yes.
Yes!
Wait, did they run the red?
Dash Cam, fuckhead. Right.
What the fuck are you doing? Are you fucked in the head?
Circulating in other countries in the world. So until the whole world becomes free of polio, we still could get imported cases.
I managed to stop and he was further back than me.
Fucking dickhead.
On the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. But why is you lying?
If I put you on my phone and upload it, it'll get maximum views. I can't do in the clutch, wanna lipsticks and phones. Way fake alone, just to get you alone. Don't be afraid to catch feelings. Don't be afraid to catch these feelings.
more dash cams.
The millionaires won't be safe. Like that's the real problem there. Like they'll say, oh, you know.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yep. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yep. Dash cam.
No,
Wow.
he was at fault.
What a dick! Please upload that, like, please. Especially because he gave you the finger. You have to upload. Like he looked like a twat.
They all do.
He almost looked like your Uncle Dean. Like from behind.
Yeah. See? Oh. So you caught me breaking the law? Fuck you. That's basically the attitude.
That was so funny. I'm just like, dude, you're being a twat. And you look like a twat.
Oh, there he is again.
Where?
Oh, he's fucking following me.
Oh my god. Is he behind you?
Yes, he is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
He's taking it so far.
Here we fucking go. Here we go. No, let him.
Record that too.
Of course, I'm recording the entire thing.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
Oh, my heart's racing. This is great.
Yeah, tonight you have to upload. Oh my god. Is that a woman in the back as well?
No, wife or whatever.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
He really is after me. No, I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, he's right up your ass. That's so funny. Wow. Twat city, twat.
Now, if there was a police station nearby, I could pull over to there.
Oh my god, please. Actually, we're in the Burwood area. It's on Railway Road. Twat city, bitch. Twat city, bitch. Twat city, bitch.
Yeah,
Twat,
I know, right?
bitch.
Off he goes.
Bye.